Ratchet and Clank versus Butterflies. Final attack. Slideshow. Yeah.
Sir, Doctor, where are you going? Me? Nowhere. Certainly not out of a system-wide blast radius. What? What? We've been infiltrated. The Galactic Rangers are trying to shut down the deplanetizer, and I can't find Chairman Drek anywhere. Want something done right, you have to do it yourself.
Warning. Core stabilizer offline. Ratchet.
No! Just not everyone going to shake it, going into it, or even if I had it, like it.
Ratchet?
Greetings, Cadet.
Captain Quark?
This is not going to go butterflies under arrest.
Oh, you can't do that. I'll just arrest you right back.
On what charge?
False arrest, being annoying, who cares?
You stabbed your own team in the back, Quark.
Just like you stabbed me in the back. Taking my fans, my sponsors, my lucrative endorsement deals, my parking space.
You were my hero.
You're not under the butterflies. Again.
I am way better looking than nefarious.
The butterfly. Of course it is.
Oh, widow wombat with a widow girl. Tell me what I want to do!
On your left side. Now you're right. Enough, Quark! Nefarious is tricking you. He wants you to destroy the entire system.
Oh, that's right. You know everything.
Uh-oh.
Hey, why don't we all just listen to Ratchet?
Ratchet, look out!
Oh my. Buzzblades? I taught you better than that. Oh my God, my mouth is in my...
He's just too good. Oh dear.
Tornado launcher. Nefarious may be a homicidal lunatic, but he sure can build a gun.
Mr. Torx, not at the butterfly, doing, this isn't what he
If Umbris is destroyed, everyone will die, including us. Is that how you want to be remembered?
I'm sorry. I don't know how things got this far.
This is just pathetic.
Oh, no way it could happen. It's over. Butterflies is not need to change.
Rangers, he's here to place you under arrest.
Me?
Absolutely. Arrest this man for his unspeakable crimes against the galaxy.
My crimes? The real crime is how you treated me. The Rangers couldn't even give me a proper laboratory.
We have an operational budget.
You called me king of the nerd herd.
It was a term of endearment.
Day after day.
The justice is staying away. Outside, quick! Jaren, you're evil and white.
You're the galaxy's biggest joke.
Maybe. But now the last laugh is on you.
Wait, what?
I know that it sense it.
No, it didn't. It sounded like you were combining the joke is on you with I'll have the last laugh.
Take your pick.
That's not how it works.
You
Get ready to engage mag boosters!
Ratchet and Clank are still inside.
Drek's gonna fire at any moment. We don't have any more time.
My point is, if you're gonna use a one-liner, it should make sense and be relevant to the situation.
Look, I workshop thousands of these a year, and they can't all be gold. So put your hands in the air.
Over your dead body. Incoming.
Come on!
Mag boosters engaged! Full power!
It's working. Stay with it.
Steady now. Steady. Folks.
What's happening?
Now online.
What? Don't let him turn it on.
Get off me, you has-been. You know, maybe Greg was right. I am a mad scientist.
Good intimate scene. The butterfly is stopped.
Break off! Break off!
Ratchet, you have to get out of there now.
Weapon locker depleted.
Yeah, we're working on it.
Ow!
Butterflies.
Ruined my plan! You had this one
The
coming.
butterflies. Oh my god.
Of all my brilliant creations,
Donut
it reminds
butterflies. Butterflies.
me
You don't have to have king.
you.
Hey, nefarious. What?
Oh, to the butterfly. Meat. Give it a rest.
Warning. Now entering Umbrus atmosphere. Any ideas?
Come on, guys. Get out of there. Come on!
We'll never make it out in time. We've got to help!
It's too late. There's nothing we can do.
We must find one of Drek's teleporters.
I saw one on the bridge.
Watch out!
Oh no. Can you try help?
Hang on, boys.
What the good thing I haven't.
I know what I'm doing.
Do not look at my hand.
Just get out while you can. Teleporter charging.
Clank, what are you doing?
Doing? Improvising.
Are we dead?
We are alive.
All Rangers alive and accounted for.
Welcome back, Rangers. Good job.
How many planets do you think I'll have to save for them to call me a hero again?
You don't have to do big things to be a hero, Quark. Just the right ones.
Oh,
You saved